Okay, this is on the Baker job, number 53773, installed on 831 by Stetson. Okay, so what we're doing is we are adding a furnace in the in the base. Sorry, start over. We're adding a furnace in the attic. So come up the stairs. No one lives here right now, but they have this supply plenum here. So we're going to get rid of this plenum here, and we're going to tap all these runs onto our new supply. So the builder will build a platform, and it's kind of hard to measure when there's no platform built, so I don't no idea where he's going to build it. But you should be able to turn this furnace any way to please you. So I'm kind of hoping he'll build it over here, because I don't think we have room to go long ways in between the joists, so it's going to have to go this way. Anywho, so down in the furnace room in the basement, I built a cap, so you're going to cap that and just abandon this duct. Okay. So like I said, you can put the furnace wherever his platform is. Okay, so furnace coil, I made 2 legs to go under the coil the long way, and I just made a drain pan to go under the coil. Then I made some 33-inch legs for under the furnace. Okay. So duct just as it shows. So the return, we have a 16-inch round. Going to take off 16-inch round flex, and then you're going to go to a 20 by 20 filter grill. In the hallway here, it's 20 by 20 filter grill right here. Then the other one I have a 12-inch flex coming off. And in the master bedroom here, you can put it anywhere you want, but we can get to this back wall. I was hoping to get it on the side, but there's a flue and a combustion air right there. But we can get it on the back wall there. So put a 16 by 16 filter grill there. And like I said, no one lives here, so I wasn't able to talk to anyone about where they wanted it, but that's why I would want it back there, so you couldn't see it. In the master, we're going to put a supply in here, just a 6 by 12 by 8 supply over these big windows here. In the hallway, we're also going to put a 6 by 12 by 8 register supply. So, I mean, obviously it'd be best to get it over this window, but putting the grill on would not be fun. So I would say just come up the stairs to the landing and just put it right here, and it'll throw that way and this way and work its way back to the return. Okay. Let me go out of the attic and read the rest of it. Okay, so combustion air is okay. We have all the attic vents. Vent, 4-inch B vent up through roof. So I just gave you a bunch of different pieces. It's kind of a steep roof, not 12-12, but I'll give you order a little steeper flashing. So the gas, well, I'll go over the gas in a minute. And I'll go over the AC in a minute. The drain, the builder will provide a drain for us. So depending on what he does, but they do have this stack here, and it's also just an 80% furnace, so we could drain it out the eave if we wanted. I just told you to just standard order 20 feet of pipe, and we don't need a P-trap up there in an attic, but you will need to put on a coil overflow safety switch as well as a drain pan safety switch. Okay, thermostat, a T6 Pro, so no one's here, but I'd say just in the hallway here. Two-stage, of course. Okay, so I told you about the supplies and returns we're adding. Okay, so let's go down in the furnace room. In the basement. And so also the power for the furnace upstairs, the builder is supposed to provide that as well, the switch and everything. So here's the furnace room, and this duct coming up the side, 90s, and that's the one that goes up in the attic. So we'll just take this 90 off and we'll put an end cap right there. That's this end cap right here. Okay, so the gas line, Dallas will do the gas. Right now it's a 2-pound system and they have a manifold. So for him, he just needs a 3/4 inch close nipple and a 3/4 T and a 3/4 inch. You can just use this existing plug. And then a 3/4 inch fitting and flex. And you're just gonna go up the old duct chase to the attic. And then, let's see, where is it, gas? Go up the old, yeah, so that's my manifold. 3/4 close, 3/4 T. Well, I wrote cap and close, but you can just use the plug. Anyway, flex, 2 flex fittings, 3/4 by half reducer, and just, you know, the norm. Okay, so let's go up to the air conditioner. Sorry, kind of a long video here. A lot of steps to be taken. Okay, so come to the garage. They have an existing AC right there. Our new AC will sit over here. They have this fireplace build out, so we're gonna sit it right here. So sit on a new 36 by 36 pad. The line set. So probably have to come out of the eave, and if it were me, oh, kitty cat, where did you come from? If it were me, I would come on this side of the eave over this air conditioner, so you can't see it. And then just go under the fireplace to the AC, and that way it kind of hides it. I don't know about line hide. I'll talk to Jason and see if he wants to do line hide, but you know, 20-inch feet of line hide, but may not need it over there. Okay, the power, the builder will provide a disconnect for us. We do need, max breaker is 25 amp breaker. So, and that's it.